Pause for a moment, not to think about money, but to notice what happens inside you when you do. Does your chest tighten, just slightly? Does your mind jump to responsibility, or worry, or pressure? Because that reaction, that subtle emotional shift, may be the very reason abundance has struggled to stay in your life. Let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed how money seems to come close, but never quite settle? How you can work hard, grow spiritually, do all the right things, yet still feel blocked financially? What if the problem is not your effort, not your worth, not your discipline? What if the block is invisible? What if it lives in beliefs you rarely question, in emotions your body learned long ago, in patterns designed to protect you, not punish you? Ask yourself honestly, do you feel safe imagining more money in your life, or does it come with tension? Do you trust yourself to hold abundance, or do you fear losing it, mismanaging it, or being judged for having it? Do you secretly believe that peace and wealth cannot exist together? And here is the question most people avoid. If abundance arrived fully tomorrow, would your nervous system relax, or would it go into overdrive? Because that answer reveals everything. In this video, we are not going to hustle or force positive thinking or tell you to just believe harder. We are going to gently uncover the hidden money blocks that have been shaping your financial reality without your permission. And by the end of this video, you may realize something powerful. You were never blocked because you were broken. You were blocked because you were protecting yourself in ways you no longer need. Stay with me, because once these blocks are seen, they begin to dissolve. Understanding what a money block really is. A money block is not a flaw. It is not laziness. It is not failure. A money block is a belief, emotion, or nervous system response that once protected you, but now limits expansion. These blocks live quietly in the subconscious. They shape what you expect, what you allow, what feels safe to receive. And abundance will never push past your sense of safety. Affirm softly, I am willing to see my money blocks with compassion. They were formed for protection, not punishment. I am ready to release what no longer serves me. The block of emotional unsafety around money. One of the most powerful money blocks is emotional unsafety. For many women, money feels charged. It carries memories of stress, of responsibility, of fear or pressure. So even when money comes in, the body tightens. And what the body resists, it cannot hold. This is not self-sabotage. It is a nervous system response. And the nervous system can be gently retrained. Affirm gently, money feels safe in my body. I allow my nervous system to relax around abundance. Calm and wealth coexist within me. The block of guilt for wanting more. Another common block is guilt. Guilt for wanting more ease, more freedom, more support. You may have learned that wanting more is selfish, or unspiritual, or unsafe. But abundance is not greed. Abundance is alignment. It is the natural expansion of a soul that has outgrown survival. Affirm softly. I release guilt around desiring abundance. My desires are aligned with divine growth. I am allowed to receive more. The block of identifying with struggle. Many women unknowingly carry this identity. I am the strong one. I am used to figuring things out alone. I always make it work somehow. This identity creates resilience, but it can also create a ceiling, because abundance requires receiving, not just surviving. Affirm gently. I release the identity of constant struggle. I allow support to meet me. Ease and stability are becoming familiar to me. The block of control and overthinking. Control often feels like safety, so you monitor every decision, overthink every expense, stay mentally alert. But control tightens energy, and abundance flows through openness, not tension. The law of attraction responds to your state, not your stress. Affirm softly. I replace control with trust. I trust myself to adapt and grow. My calm attracts prosperity. The block of scarcity and urgency. Scarcity speaks in urgency. I am behind. I need to catch up. There is not enough time. Urgency disconnects you from intuition. It leads to rushed decisions, and it blocks inspired action. Abundance moves at a grounded pace. Affirm gently. I release urgency from my life. I trust divine timing. Patience opens the door to abundance. The spiritual block of feeling unworthy. One of the deepest blocks is worthiness. You may consciously believe you deserve abundance, but subconsciously feel you must earn rest or prove value. But worth is not earned. It is remembered. Affirm softly. I am worthy of abundance exactly as I am. I do not need to prove my value. Prosperity meets me naturally. Awareness is the key that unlocks everything. You do not remove money blocks through force. You remove them through awareness. Each time you notice a belief and choose compassion instead of judgment, the block loosens. The law of attraction responds to alignment, not pressure. Affirm gently. I observe my inner world with love. Awareness dissolves resistance. Abundance flows more freely each day. If you are feeling resonance right now, if something within you feels seen or softened, this is your reminder that you are not walking this path alone. There is a growing community of women choosing to heal their relationship with money while honoring their spiritual journey. If you feel guided, you are welcome to subscribe and continue this gentle transformation together. Take one final slow breath. Feel your body soften. Feel your heart open. You were never blocked because you were broken. You were blocked because you were protecting yourself. And now, you are safe to receive more. Abundance does not need to be chased. It responds to calm, clarity, and self-trust. Let this be the moment. You choose a new relationship with wealth, one rooted in peace, one guided by intuition, one aligned with who you are becoming. Affirm softly, I release what blocks abundance. I trust myself with wealth. I allow prosperity to flow into my life with ease.